How to make a mashup with 20baisju. Wait, didn't you do this like 8 different times? Step 1, getting sources. Highly recommend to either get one background track and one vocal track, but it's just whatever you're trying to mash up. Step 2, timing. While every song has a different tempo, just try to go for either the 4th beat, 8th, or 16th if you're really that wild. Find the same length and beats you counted earlier, either 4th, 8th, or whatever, and if you need to mark the locations for convenience. Use this legendary tool called the stretch tool to stretch the beginning and ends of your source to your background track. It should be fairly on beat. A lot of the time, if you continue playing the song after the rest of the source, it can go off beat sometimes. To fix this, just simply edit around until it sounds perfect enough. Step 3, pitch shifting. I cannot give you any tutorials on this since it's pretty hard, but if you aren't tone deaf and you have patience, then fuck around with this thing until it sounds good. Step 4, the end results.
Okay, it's childish, lambino, on the dropping like the NASDAQ. Who white girl like the top of my ass crack? Who black girl fucking fucking out either? I love pussy, I love bitches, do